Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a visa consultant under HLV Visa Consultancy. And in today's vlog, isi-share ko po sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-order ng PSA birth certificate for family reunification visa to your spouse, children, and parents to Germany. One of the major requirements sa pag-apply po ng family reunification visa is yung legalization po ng birth certificate or any PSA documents. Some applicant, they are not informed how they can order their PSA birth certificate for legalization. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung step-by-step tutorial kung paano po kayo makaka-order ng PSA documents for family reunification visa to Germany. Unang step, kailangan pumunta sa official website ng German Embassy in Manila. Click Consular Services and click niyo po itong option na to, Recognition of Philippines Public Documents Legalization. Just scroll down until mahanap natin yung tamang link kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-order ng ating PSA documents. In this link, you can order online your PSA documents. I-click nyo lang po yan at ida-direct po kayo nyan mismo sa official website ng PSA for documents, apostillization, and legalization page. Just scroll down and check nyo lang po itong dalawang maliit na box to proceed. Then, you can choose the type of certificate na kailangan ninyo like birth certificate, marriage certificate, Senomar, death certificate. And as example, ipapakita ko kung paano nyo ma-order yung inyong birth certificate. If you have enough time while ordering your PSA documents online, pwede nyong basahin before you click the 3 small box here. Then, just click Continue. Are you requesting for your own certificate of live birth or for someone else? Mamimili kayo, yes, my own birth certificate or for someone else. My own birth certificate, then continue. To request your birth certificate, ito yung mga kailangan nyong ihanda na information and requirements. Your name, sex, birth date, and valid government-issued ID. Your father and mother's name. Your birthplace. The purpose of your request. And your delivery address and contact information. And click Continue. You need to enter your name, sex, and birth date. You need to make sure that all information that you are giving here are correct. And to proceed, just click Continue. Your name as it appears on your birth certificate. Double check your name because the PSA will not issue your birth certificate kapag may mali po sa information na na-enter ninyo online. So, kailangan nyo ulit mag-order ng birth certificate kung sakaling meron pong delay because of the misinformation or maling birth certificate ang maibigay ng PSA sa embassy. Let's proceed sa next step. Your father's name. So, this is for your father's details. And information also of your mother. Proceed na tayo sa identity verification. Kailangan po mag-upload dito ng any valid documents from the government. Ito po yung documents or mga IDs na tinatanggap po ng PSA helpline para makapag-order po kayo ng birth certificate online. Medyo maselan itong part na to. Dapat yung IDs po ninyo maayos po yung pagkaka-scan or may tamang lightning po. Otherwise, kahit anong upload ninyo, hindi po yan tatanggapin ng system. Kung nakapag-upload na kayo ng IDs or any documents na hinihingi ng PSA and okay naman siya, na validate naman yung mga information, then you can click Continue. Mababasa ninyo meron siyang DFA Office of the Consular Affairs for German Embassy. Dito nyo malalaman kung tama ba yung pagkaka-order ninyo ng PSA birth certificate or any PSA documents na gagamitin po ninyo for German visa application. You need to give your mobile number for an update and your email address. Dapat yung valid email address po ang inyong ibibigay. Dapat valid email address yung ibibigay ninyo. Kasi dito isi-send ng PSA yung update about your PSA documents. And before you pay, ito yung summarization ng information na binigay ninyo. So once again, kailangan pong i-double check yung lahat ng information, particularly the spelling of your names. Proceed na tayo sa payment. So I need to pay 300 pesos per documents or for my birth certificate. Just click this small box and continue. Ito yung different types of payment method. I recommend either PayMaya or GCash kasi based on my experience, ang bilis ng transaction kapag GCash yung gamit. But GCash, they will charge you additional 20 pesos sa magiging 320 pesos yung babayaran po ninyo. Thank you for your payment. So, successful yung aking pagbayad gamit po ang aking GCash. After nyo po magbayad ng inyong birth certificate, so it's around 320 pesos per documents, may marireceive kayo sa email nyo na confirmation of order of your PSA documents and resibo na binayaran nyo po yung documents na yon. And after that, may marireceive kayo ulit na email at your PSA is already delivered to the DFA. Sa video na to, ang pinakita ko lang is kung paano kayo makakapag-order ng PSA birth certificate online. Yung pag-order online ng PSA document like birth certificate, yun po yung unang step na dapat ninyong gawin for legalization. And kung tapos na kayo sa first step, ito yung second step. Wait for the email confirmation that the document has been delivered to DFA. Also, check your email for the payment for the authentication or apostilled via Land Bank linked fees by the following the steps indicated in the email. After nyo magbayad ng apostillization fees, pupunta kayo ng DFA to pay personally the legalization fees. And for your documents legalization, at magagawa nyo lang po ito sa DFA Ishanya. So wala pong ibang DFA branch na tumatanggap ng legalization for German Embassy. Ito lang po yung DFA main office. Later on, mag-upload ako ng kompletong video including the legalization of this PSA birth certificate. Guys, thank you for watching. So kung may tanong pa kayo, write down your comment below. Sasagutin ko po yan. And if you have any questions or inquiries or you are looking for a visa assistance, you can email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page. Guys, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.